We're going to look at the Academy today. After clicking to enter, this interface is the course of treatment to view and project selection interface. Click here for this location. You can choose a course of treatment for acute and chronic conditions. Then this position. It is possible to clear the information of a course of treatment that we have screened. There are a total of 10 healing interfaces that can be viewed. There are 2 pages in total, and then the icon of the book. Click to enter. You can view some information about the course of treatment. Click this location to view it. Okay, click back. Let's take a look at the interface of the project here. There are 4 options here. Then we go back to the treatment view interface. Let's continue to talk about each course of treatment. Here is the total time of the treatment. This exclamation point. We click in. Yes, you can view it. A recommendation for the use of handles in this course of treatment. It is a recommendation for parts. We can click through this arrow here. You can choose the part we need to operate. Then you can view a suggestion for the operation part of the handle. Then click this button. This icon can enter the M1 course of treatment. Then check the number of stages per stage. Phase of M1. It uses 7 stages. It's 2 pages. Here we click this button. You can directly enter its user interface. When entering this interface, we just need to start the machine. It's working. Click again to pause. You can see it on this interface. There are 7 stages to each course of treatment. If the customer is in the process of using, I want to skip this stage. We can click this button. You can go directly back to the selection interface here. This location, click on the lower left corner. You can check some information about the course of treatment. Click this location again. You can go back to the original user interface. This is a simple way to use the college interface. So here we go. How to go about some parameters of the college model. Make changes and customize. Let's briefly talk about it here. Custom parameters can be changed in the settings. This is one of the custom windows to enter. There is another one in this course of treatment. Check the upper right corner of the interface. This location. Click Settings. It is also possible to enter custom parameters. Let's briefly talk about it here. Here's the first one. The storage location of the course of treatment. Then the second is the number of stages in a course of treatment. Set this up. Depends on how many stages we want to use. For example, we use 7 stages. According to the 7 stages, for display. The third one is the parameters of a stage we currently preset. For example, we need a first stage. Make a preset parameter. Now we choose the first stage. Then set the handle.
的一个设置。
Here is the handle used.
然后
Then for example we choose CET. Then proceed to the second stage
进行下面的
to perform the following usage.
使用
For example, single function CET or CET with rect.
AID
All use the three functions alternately at the same time.
交替去使用。
And then underneath,
要
because we chose single function CET, so the parameter settings of CET will appear. For example, select a 40% energy setting.
设置，
Then a time setting is used in the current phase.
使用的一个时间设置，
This is the minute, then seconds.
秒的一个设置，
And here is a percentage of the work.
工作的一个占空比，
It has a duration of 0.75 seconds, stay for 0.25 seconds. Then work for 0.5 seconds and stay for 0.5 seconds. This is a pattern setting at work. The second is the setting of frequency selection. At CET we know everything we know. The first one is 500 kHz. The second one is 300 kHz. And then the third one is 300 and 500 kHz. A function key for alternate use. This is the single function setting.
设置，然后
Then you can take a look at other things here.
可以在
For example, the single function of rect. There will also be parameter settings showing rect, including EMS single function. Insert settings.
电流呢，我们
Let's briefly talk about it here.
有
There is a frequency choice between static, dynamic and acute and chronic. In a static state, frequency does not change.
是不会有变动的。
If it is dynamic, the frequency will vary according to the dynamics.
改变，自己去切换。
Go and switch these frequencies for use by yourself. Then it will be used according to the time of use. Perform a cycle of treatment.
华进行治疗的。
And here's the EMS intensity setting.
度的设置了。
We've talked about these. And here are the parameters of the bracelet. This is multi-level parameter setting.
测试设置
Multi-level frequency
一个频率呢，
is called 1 Hz
1赫兹。
and 500 kHz. After setting it up here, click the Save button.
保存键，
It will follow the set parameters
参数
for storage. If the customer makes a wrong transfer,
调错了，
or you want to restore our factory settings,
恢复我们出厂的一个设置的
we can click this button to restore. At this time, it will be restored to the factory settings. Let's talk about it
这
here.
里再说一下，就是
It's all about interchangeability.
我们交替使用的。
When used interchangeably, it will appear to functions of RED and CET,
的两个功
perform parameter setting,
设置，
and time setting for two functions to be used interchangeably. In the case of three functions, there will also be parameter settings for three functions, and three functions alternating time settings. These squares is all by clicking. After the selection turns green, it can only be adjusted. Okay, this is all backstage and the use of the Academy model.